The key security huddle at Prime Minister Modi's residence that we just told you about. We have information now that the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval are at the Prime Minister's residence. Tri-Services chiefs have also reached Prime Minister Modi's residence. Piyush is getting in more details. The Chief of the Defence Staff also present at this meeting. Undoubtedly a big security huddle to assess the situation after things changed rapidly after the announcement of truce last evening, Piyush.
Well, certainly, Sneha, this is a big meeting which is right now underway at PM Narendra Modi's residence, and in this meeting, all tri-services chiefs are present. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has just arrived. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is also present here, and this meeting is right now underway at the Prime Minister's residence. Remember that in the last 3 to 4 days, we have seen how Prime Minister has been consistently holding these meetings and getting, reports from all the officials. He's also being briefed by National Security Advisor Ajit Doval on regular basis, and today this meeting has a lot of importance because this is the first big meeting which is taking place after the ceasefire violation which was done by Pakistan, despite agreeing on the ceasefire yesterday at around 5 p.m. What we are now learning is that the meeting is right now going on, and Ajit Doval is going to brief Prime Minister about the current developments, and after that the Prime Minister is also going to seek information from all tri-services chiefs. In fact, Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan is also present in this meeting. So it is a very crucial huddle, Sneha, which is going on at the Prime Minister's residence. Since Pahalgam terror attack, we have seen Prime Minister holding multiple meetings. According to data available, Prime Minister has held more than 25 meetings in which he has been personally monitoring each and every development. NSC Ajit Doval, during the operations also when our armed forces were carrying out against Pakistan, at the time Doval was briefing Prime Minister on each and every update. In fact, Prime Minister was himself monitoring when we had hit 9 targets in Pakistan, and the terror camps were targeted. So Prime Minister has been closely monitoring every development. He initially chaired all the meetings. He was not only briefed, but he also himself gave his own inputs to the officials. And after that, we saw how successful Operation Sindoor was carried out. The night of the operation when we carried out, on the very next day, we also saw Prime Minister chaired Cabinet Committee on Security meeting, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs meetings. So multiple meetings are there which Prime Minister has personally been chairing. And today, as we are speaking, he is in a meeting with our 3 tri-services chiefs. CDS Anil Chauhan is also there. At the same time, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is also present. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval is also briefing Prime Minister. Yesterday in the evening also there was a meeting between all these officials. But this is the first meeting which is underway. This is the first meeting which is taking place after once again ceasefire violation which was done by Pakistan yesterday at around 8:35 p.m. We'll have to see if the government is going to move ahead with some sort of decisions, or this meeting has been called to seek information about the current developments. Those are there on the border areas.
Getting in those details, I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now. Shivani also continues to be with us. Shivani, a big concern for India at this point in time as far as the announcement of ceasefire is concerned is that this is the country, Pakistan, our neighbor, that can't be trusted. After the developments that were witnessed after the announcement of truce in the evening at 5, what I want to know is this: what is India's strategy? This is something that is going to be, chalked out in the meeting on how India needs to continue to, up not just the ante, but also be on its guard when it comes to dealing with Pakistan.
Sneha, the developments since the ceasefire was announced last evening were not as they should have been, especially from Pakistan's side. The way it multiple times breached the ceasefire along the line of control and also the airspace, where it was launching drones. And yesterday also, because we were there, our reporters have been there, our colleagues have been reporting from there. There were not less than 400 to 500 swarm drones that were being sent into Indian territory, to which there was an emergency response by the Foreign Secretary. And remember, after the ceasefire was announced, there was a meeting that Prime Minister chaired that was being considered as a debrief or the assessment of the security. But now, this huddle that has been called by the Prime Minister, which also includes the NSA, the CDS, the three service chiefs, seems to be, and the Raksha Mantri, of course, seems to be a development that was not being scheduled for the day, but only took place after the developments of last night, after Pakistan's misadventures once again. Because, you know, there was a program that was scheduled for Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh at 11, and now because of this meeting, it has been postponed by 1 hour. So we can well understand that the meeting that has been called by the Prime Minister was not scheduled initially, but it has been called after what Pakistan has been doing in last evening. So what we understand from the huddle that goes on, that besides keeping the guards up, Prime Minister also is assessing the situation and how country should go ahead in terms of our security planning in the days to come, because we cannot trust Pakistan. So it's very important not only to debrief and understand how last 5 days have gone by, but to make a very important decision or a preparation plan for upcoming days too. So that's why we understand this meeting is going on, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is meeting the CDS along with Raksha Mantri, the NSA and all the service chiefs. Back to you, Sneha.